Okay, let's do a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2025. In this question, we are supposed to find the value of fx, wherein fx is given with this relation. So in this case, whenever you see a definite integral with a variable upper limit or a lower limit, then you can apply what we call as the Newton-Leibniz formula. What this formula says is gx and fx be the, or let's call it hx, because here this is what it is, right? So in a sense, so if fx, gx and hx are two like limits, upper and lower limit, and then this is fx dx, then okay, if this function is what we are calling it as, let's say capital Fx, then what will happen is that if you differentiate this function, how do we differentiate this function is we actually write the value of hx inside this, as in like wherever fx is coming, we will just substitute hx, and then we will do the differentiation of this function h dash x, and then we will do a minus of it, and then do the same thing with this function, which is f of gx, and then it will be g dash x. So this is what we will do here. So we will just differentiate this. So what will happen? Here, the differentiation would yield me that x into fx, and then the differentiation of fx, this x itself, which is dx by dx, minus 0 into f0 and differentiation of 0, right? Which is anyways, doesn't matter, right? And that should be equal to, actually, if I'm differentiating, I have to differentiate this side also. So this will be x square into f dash x. And then we have to write the next term, which is going to be fx into 2x. So what we are doing is we are differentiating using the product rule. Now from here, what do we get? We get x of fx, and that is actually equal to x square f dash x. And then we have got 2x into fx. Now we can send this to the other side, and this will become x into fx, and this will become x square f dash x. So you know what, you're writing this as x square and dfx by dx, right? So you can cancel one of the x, and then this becomes a variable separable type. So you will get minus of dx by x equals to dfx by fx. Now once you integrate this, what do you get? You get minus log x equals to log of fx, and then we can have another constant which is log of k, let's say. Now we can say this is log minus log x is log of x raised to the power minus 1, and this is log m into log n, which is log of fx into k, and then once we multiply this, what we get is 1 by x here is going to be equal to fx into k. Now your fx has come out to be 1 by kx. Now by substituting the value of 2, we can find k. So f of 2, which is 1 by 2k, is actually equal to 3. So k turns out to be 1 by 6. Now f of 6 would be again 1 by k, which is 1 by 6, into 6, which is nothing but 1 itself. So yeah, the value of f6 will be 1. And that is all for this question. So yeah, that's all for this question. If you have any queries, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.